Vincent Thomas Bridge.
How rude.
This bridge looks crazy at nighttime. There's the porch. This is where you get all your lipsticks and furniture, shelves from China. Shaka to you.
Excuse me. It is I, VibeKilla. I will destroy you, Shakamoto X. I summon 1,000 trucks.
Begin.
Excuse me, pardon me. Coming through. I think I can fit.
Looks like the Shakamoto boy got himself to a sticky situation. There's that Newport's right there.
Shaka for you.
Your vibes are too strong for me. Lights come out of my eyes.
Making a left. Another left.
Shaka for you.
Yep. There you go.
Shaka for you, bro.
See if we squeeze through.
Thank you. Shaka to you.
Finish.
You may have defeated me this time, Shakamoto X, but we will meet again.
Man, they were trying to smash